Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Walmart Marketplace for advertising and inventory sync, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Walmart Marketplace Seller Center account. Once logged in, navigate to the advertising section on the dashboard. Select Campaign Management to set up your advertising campaigns. Click on Create Campaign to initiate a new advertising project. Fill in the required campaign details, such as campaign name and budget. Choose your targeting preferences, including product selection and audience demographics. Configure your bidding strategy based on your advertising goals. Finalize the campaign setup by reviewing all entered details. After setting up your advertising, navigate back to the main dashboard. Now, go to the inventory section to sync your product listings. Select Add Products to ensure all your inventory is up to date. Use the bulk upload feature if you have multiple products to add. Prepare your product feed according to Walmart's format guidelines. Upload the product feed and wait for the system to process your listings. Once uploaded, verify that all your products appear correctly in the inventory list. To sync your inventory in real time, set up the integration with your inventory management system. Follow the prompts to connect your inventory software with Walmart Marketplace. Ensure that your inventory quantities are accurately reflected in both systems. Regularly monitor your campaigns and inventory levels for the best performance. Adjust your advertising strategy as necessary based on product performance analytics. Continue to refine your settings and listings to maximize visibility and sales. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.